Hello.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to another episode of We're Doing Our House Up and we want to document it and share it with you.
Yes, if you come to Emma's favourite place.
It's like my second least. B&Q will always be my least favourite, but I also don't like Ikea.
No, so that's where we are today. We're going to have a look around. We've got a couple of things we want to get and a couple of ideas that we might want to have a look at for later on.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know why we're keeping it a secret. We need curtains.
Yep.
Lampshades.
Yep.
A TV cabinet of some variety.
Yes.
And
a bent table.
Oh yeah, but that's not yet.
See, that's what we
might
not get today, but we're looking at that.
Yeah. So we just come. The TV cabinet not urgent.
Yep.
Curtains fairly urgent, and lampshade fairly urgent,
and bulbs,
light bulbs fairly urgent.
Yep.
But yeah, that's the plan. I mean, I don't hate IKEA. I just don't like coming to IKEA when we're not getting anything. Like,
no,
it
just
feels
look around.
Yeah, I don't like that.
But hopefully we got a list what we want to get.
Yeah.
And they open, it's a bank holiday. They open till 9 o'clock. What's good? Hopefully. And obviously we have a look if they got meatballs. I don't know if that'll be open.
No, maybe, but they're never open that late. And by the time we get to the restaurant bit, it's halfway through.
Yeah.
Normally we're like, oh, let's just carry on. So, it's always busy in there.
Yeah.
But
let's head in then.
Yes.
Cool.
Still fly, I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Okay, so probably not that one, but I quite like it. I like the cubbies, but it's not. I don't think it's quite what we're looking for. But it's the right height. So John's lost over there. But I don't know, but I don't think so. John likes it. He's brought his handy dandy tape measure. Oh wait, he can't get it out of his pocket. Not that handy dandy.
You want it to be 80 roughly?
Well, we've measured it in like people measurements, so it's about John's waist height. 77 was the minimum. Whoa! So I mean, I like that one.
About my hip, that's what we said.
Yeah, about John's hip.
Okay.
What I do think we should get is a panda in a box. He's cute. But yeah, so that's our first option. Yeah, maybe. I don't know how I feel about this one. We just saw another one and that one wasn't a contender. This one.
It's lower than we wanted,
Yeah.
I think. But like you just said about that one, you can just see it.
That one.
Does that make a massive difference? Because we wanted the telly on a stand.
Yeah.
Obviously they got theirs on the wall.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's too low, because it wouldn't be.
Yeah, I like this one. But John spotted the same one over there, but cheaper. It looks different in person. Can you see the full thing? Not really. Yeah, I like that, but are you getting more for your money with that? Okay, I think we're on option 4.
I have no idea how many options we got.
I think this is 4.
Okay.
Tell us what you think. Is it green?
It is green.
Okay.
So now it changes.
We were going to go with navy, but this is green, so we'd have
There's
to...
a navy one here, but I think that's quite low.
This is quite fancy looking.
I quite like that one.
Okay, this is option 4. We really like option 4.
I think so. We have a look at a character stuff, the one we seen first, so it's over there. And stuff. So have a look at that. But
it's pretty, isn't
we
it?
committed to colour then.
Yeah.
Because it was going to be green
Navy
or blue
or
anyway. Yeah.
this dark green. So I don't know. Let's look. We're in a pickle now because there's lots of nice ones. Some of them are too short, so that makes it easier. But the green one that we saw over there is the same price as some of the other ones that we've liked. So now it's like, oh, what do we do? But I think we both like the green one.
75. I don't hate this one either.
He's looking at that one there, but I don't like the doors on that one. And also, it's £350, which is £50 more than the green one.
Yeah, I like the green one.
They've also got the green one that we looked at on the wall over there in white.
Okay.
Do we like it in white?
Yeah. I hate
Or
it.
do we like it over there because it's that green colour?
No, I quite like that. Is that the same one? Mm-hmm. No, I like that. I prefer it in green, I think.
Yeah, me too.
But
You know we're not good with decisions. I think this is the same colour. I just said to John, we just saw one like this, and I said, oh, it looks a bit conservatory-like you would have in your conservatory. Do you not think so? Like you would keep plants in there.
maybe. I like it.
I do like it, I just don't think it's right. If this is the same colour.
That would work perfect.
It would, but that won't. We're not really here for shelving either. John likes these glass door things.
Only because it's like, we've got that Jim Shaw's wire,
Yeah.
and it saves me just...
It saves you dust it. I'm confused.
We've got a couple options.
Yeah,
I quite like a shelf we just seen.
the garden ones.
Yeah. And we like a cabinet for TV. We need to find curtains and lampshade what we came for today, because that what we'd seen was good but wasn't today's problem.
No.
So I haven't sorted that out yet. But yeah, we've got things to think about, I think.
Yeah, but if we want to get it today, we have to decide.
Yes, we do. I quite like that shelving.
Yeah.
And I like that cabinet. The only worry is obviously it's different colour, but if you moved it away,
Yeah.
it would be fine. I
That would be fine. The walls
Yeah.
are white, so it would be okay.
It's really quiet, what I'm surprised about.
I don't know,
I know
bits
it's late, like in the bank holiday, but there's not many people here at all.
Bits of it are quiet,
Yeah.
I think, and then it bottlenecks.
Yeah, but that's normal. And we just got lost as well.
Yeah.
How'd that happen?
We're stopping for a chat.
We're having a coffee.
Yeah. We're sat at the very back of the Ikea cafe.
And we are. We've got a nice little comfy seat. We've got some decisions to make, eh?
Yeah. We're just thinking, if we don't get that cabinet now, are they going to sell out?
Yeah.
But maybe not, but also maybe, I don't know.
We can ask
If they'll sell out?
if they sell out.
They won't know though, will they?
That's the problem, isn't it?
Yeah.
We haven't found curtains yet. I thought they had a curtain place.
We've not been to the curtain section yet.
That's good. And we haven't seen lampshades.
We haven't been to the lamp section yet.
That's good. And we haven't seen light bulbs yet.
We haven't been to the light bulb section yet.
That's good. Okay. Well, yeah, I mean, I don't know. We can get it, but it wasn't on the cards for
No,
today.
I don't know what to do. So we've decided that we want the cabinet, but maybe not in green.
Yeah. I think I like it in green. We both like it in green. But we've got nothing else in green. So it might make sense to be in white with everything else in white.
This is
And
the
then-
option for cabinet.
Yeah, and then we can add colour, the curtains, the cushions, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Maybe.
And John still likes the Billy bookcase thing with the doors.
Yeah, because that's going to be in white.
Yeah.
And obviously we're painting it white, so we need to add colour, but I think if we had it everything the same colour, it would look nicer maybe.
All we
It's
have
a
to
shame,
decide
really.
now is if we're doing it today.
Yeah, but if we can find it downstairs, then I can't see why we'd wait, maybe.
But we'll see when we
We'll
get
see.
downstairs.
Yeah, we might not be able to find it.
Yeah, but we're just heading into the kitchen-y living area, so
Yeah.
we'll see the curtains and stuff now.
Actually, the coffee was really nice as well. We've still got a cake though.
Looking at curtains, look. That one there is the one we've picked out currently, but it's not definitely.
Good price.
It's it's 22 quid.
Yeah. And apparently you just hem them. And then
Right. So we were looking for the short ones because how do we get short curtains for our
Yeah.
short window? And the lady was like, "Yeah, we don't ever get them in. We
No.
only get the long ones in."
Was a
but
bit
we've
weird,
got
we thought.
yeah, but she said that you've got hemming tape. You can just hem them.
Yeah.
So
So we'll do
I
that.
reckon I can do that.
Yeah. So we
But
just
now
got to
we
decide
need
what
to.
colour.
Yeah.
Look at us learning.
I'm
like an
nervous. Did we check that they're wide enough for the other window?
No.
No.
What's it got to be?
I don't know. You've got the paper. You know what I'm going to get?
What?
On Amazon you can get this thing that you get an app, right? And you put them on your curtain pole and you can open and close the curtains.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that.
We're getting bish done.
We are. We just got a blue lampshade.
That one. Well, we got 3 of them actually.
Yeah, not the most exciting, but
I do like it though.
I quite like it. It's better than what we got. I say we can't have like this.
I don't like that one.
Or them.
I did see online though, somebody bought that black one and painted it like a Star Wars thing.
That's cool. That's cool. That silver one's cool.
That one?
Yeah, in the far, in the corner.
Yeah.
I like it.
Would you want them?
Like that? Could we?
Oh no, I don't like that. I thought you meant these.
Oh no. I mean, they're nice for kitchen, but that's not what we want, is it?
Looking at rugs, and John's picking the most boring rugs.
I mean, it doesn't give it justice. I quite like it. With the floor, I think I fit nicely, you know?
No, I wanted something more like that. You know, Bridgerton have brought out rugs with Ruggable. Not sponsored, but we got all the way down and they don't have any Billy bookcases.
No, it's a bit weird. I thought that's quite
Loads of our stuff is based on a Billy bookcase.
iconic sort of Ikea thing, yeah. But it doesn't matter. We decided to wait for that. And we got down here as well. The TV cabinet wasn't in white, it was in cream.
Yeah, I think when we were settled on it, it was the white one.
Yeah.
And then when we got down here, it's a light beige, but we've just painted our entire house white.
Yeah, we went away from beige.
Yeah.
So, and now we don't know if the green and blue would go.
I still really like the green, but I think if we've got to come back for that Billy bookcase anyway, which pains me.
Yeah.
If we've got to come back for that anyway, then it might be worth having a look online and seeing if there's a white one.
I think so, yeah. So I don't think it's a wasted journey. We've got curtains, we've got lampshades, and that's what we came for originally, so that's good. But I think we're going to have to come back and get the other bits in a month's time, once the flooring done. What I suppose is a better way to do it anyway.
Yeah, but also, we haven't really looked at cabinets online.
No.
So it could be that we get one online and it comes quicker.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't think it's worth buying a beige one if we don't want it beige.
No. It was fun walking around to get some ideas anyway. And we got like a few bits that we wanted to. The curtains was the main thing today, and lampshades. So it wasn't a wasted journey. It just would have been nice not having to come back.
Yeah.
But that doesn't matter. We can get the flooring done, and then we'll be in a better position to know what colours and that we want. And now we've got a better idea. So we've seen like the setup places. We've got a rough idea what we want now. So it was good.
Yeah, I'm just a bit disappointed about the. I think if the bookcase had been down here, I think we would have got the green cabinet.
Yeah.
Because I think, then it's not worth coming back.
Yeah.
For that. But now because the bookcase isn't here, they've got the no bookcases, but they've got the doors.
Yeah.
Which is silly.
It doesn't make sense. I mean, normally, Billy bookcases is a staple of Ikea.
Yeah.
I imagine loads of people got that, and they normally sell out loads all the time.
Well, that's what they said. They said they sold out. So
yeah.
I think if that hadn't been sold out, I think we would have just got the other one.
Yeah.
As well, but because we're gonna have to come back anyway.
Yeah.
It gives us a bit of time to have a think and have a Google. So.
Yeah. Cool. Okay.
We're being savvy shoppers. Okay, so we were just in the reject section. I don't know if you can call it the reject section, but we found this, which is exactly what we want, except for the doors at the top.
But they have got the white glass doors.
Yeah.
However,
it's a little bit damaged because it's a return.
Yeah.
And it is only £10 cheaper.
Yeah.
So we're not going to do it.
I just googled and we could find a nice one for £135.
Yeah. Which means there are others on the internet.
Yeah, and we're going to have a look at
different
the TV
cabinets
for white.
But of course that was just because we can't make a decision.
No.
It's like obviously that's there.
But no,
but this one has got like a little bit of damage on the shelf there. It also would be a struggle to get it home. But that one I saw online, they'll deliver it for free.
Yeah.
So that's a bonus.
I think we have a decision now. I think
Yeah.
we're going to have a look at TV cabinets in white. I think that makes more sense.
Yeah.
And the cabinet, what we just seen, 135 online, delivered for free.
Yes.
And we've got this now. So I think we've got a decision.
Yes.
Yeah, so it hasn't been wasted. We've got
No.
spare ideas, I think.
Yeah.
And we're rubbish at making decisions. This is a hard one.
Yeah, it is. Hey, door. That's goodbye, you know, Ikea.
I think we got a decision made now.
Okay.
It feels like we've been in there 9 years.
Yeah, it always feels like that.
It's a shame, but we were trying to make it fit and it didn't fit, I
Well, it
think.
might fit. We haven't decided yet, but we're hoping we can find another one
Yeah,
that fits better.
yeah. I think if it was in white, we would have jumped at it.
Yeah. But back into the car.
Yeah, well, that's what we came for today, really.
Yeah.
Everything else was a bonus, what I mentioned earlier. So I'm happy. It just feels like we've been in there a long time.
Yeah, it does. It's like night time, middle of the night
I
now.
know.
It's not actually that dark.
No.
Thank you for coming along to IKEA with us.
It was a lot of fun. I think we've got a couple of ideas now.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a good trip out, I think.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy like us doing the house up and stuff.
Absolutely, yeah.
I can't wait to show you when it's done.
I can't wait for it's done. I'm done with it already.
Yeah.
But it will look good when it's done, hopefully, yeah.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.